Yo guys, what's up? Your price back, and today we're gonna talk about Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. It is a successor to Xiaomi's Mi Mix 2S, which was released early this year. There are some rumors that Xiaomi is working on this device, and this device will probably launch at the end of this year. There are some pictures that were released by the company itself, and in this picture we can see the company is explaining about the MIUI 10 features, but they have accidentally released the shape of Mi Mix 3. The picture shows the front of Mi Mix 3, and we can see this device has small chin as compared to its predecessor. There is no detail about the screen to body ratio of this device, but we can see there is no front facing camera on this device. There are very small chins. So there are rumors that say this device will have motorized front facing camera with a selfie light. In this picture we can see inside the software there is a AI dedicated button on the left side of the phone. So there are changes that are happening to Mi Mix 3, and we will see at the launch event that what this device has to offer, what upgrade this device brings. The release pictures are taken seriously because Xiaomi promptly removed this picture from MIUI 10 forum. As you guys know, Xiaomi was the first smartphone maker that released a bezel smartphone that was the first generation Mi Mix. So now that crown has taken from Xiaomi by Oppo. So this is a chance that Xiaomi can take their crown back. This device will launch at the end of this year, but there are some rumors that claim this device will release at September. That's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you know anything about this smartphone, sound off in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.